So I will let you know that what to do when your full name is in given name only. Like we did mistake at the time of filling form in the passport only, that what we do, we leave our surname blank. Suppose somebody have the name like Suraj Kumar, and what he do that he put his full name in the given name only, and he did let the surname column blank. So, and later on he realizes that this is going to create problems. So in that case, what to do? Like now there is a question number 48 in the FAQ of the on the passport website, that what to do, but they have not clearly mentioned what you have to do in that case. That you want your Kumar, that the Kumar part in surname, and you have written full name in the given name only. So I will let you know the whole process what to do. You have to not to worry about these things. Just what you have to do, you have to apply again in the reissue category, and the same process will be followed again. Like you have to visit passport seva kendra, then police verification will come, and then passport printing will be initiated. After going to the passport seva kendra, this time you have to fill the form in a right way, like whatever you want. And if there is no spelling change in your name, then only this process is applied. Otherwise, if there is any spelling change or there is a minor name change also, then it will treated as a major name change, and you have to follow the whole process. But if say you want to just split your name, like split your name, half of name in the surname and half in the given name, then in that case you can again reapply the passport. Go to the passport office, they will ask that why happened, then you tell the reason that you did by mistake, and they will take it as a minor mistake and they will approve this. So it doesn't bother you much, and again you have not to worry about this, because you have applied in a normal category. So it will take around 20-21 days, but the same process will happen. Like for the fresh application, what you have did, the same again you have to did this, and there should not be anything different. Like if you are going to change your address, then you have to give address proof. So don't do anything, just make a simple name change in the passport, that's it. You have to not make anything more change in that. So here is my passport which got I have taken it to the passport seva kendra. So it got, now they have given that this hole, so that this passport is now rejected, and now I have my new one with me. So this is the new one. So it takes 20 to 25 days, I don't remember exactly, but the thing is that now I have splitted my name. It doesn't matter that you have middle name or last name, but if your surname is blank and your full name is in given name, then only you have to split. Your name is Aman Kumar Singh, and all these three are written in the given name only, and you want that Singh part in the surname, so you can easily apply. But if there is a spelling change in that name, like AMAN or something like that, then you have to follow the whole process, and it's a lengthy one. So that's for that you can refer another YouTube videos. There are a lot over the internet, so go through those, and there is another process. But if there is a minor change, actually I have found that there is no such videos on the internet for this particular issue. That's why I am uploading this, because I have faced a lot of issue in that. But when I gone through the process is very simple, very easy. You have nothing to bother in that. Just again reapply and you will get your new one like I have got. Okay, thank you.